My hair was not cooperating today, therefore I decided to do that 2-braid trend kind of thing. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. If I do know, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. Basically, I even failed because I think you're supposed to have it like pretty high up here. I guess it really depends on everyone's hair. My hair, small forehead, therefore I kind of started around here. My hairs are sticking out of the braids because of my layers. So we're just gonna go with it. So first things first, if you guys are new to this channel, I love to beauty blog, create makeup looks. Sometimes I do hair. I have a top 5 favorite series on this channel, as well as this video, which is my monthly favorites that I post at the end of every month. So with that said, hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. If you guys like videos like these, consider subscribing. I'm also getting ready for my upcoming trip, so if you guys haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel where I'll be posting some vlogs. Of course, every time I'm on a destination, I love to do get ready with me's in different locations other than here. Whew, sorry, I totally just sneezed, so I sound a bit nasally right now. So as I was saying, I still film my beauty videos, like get ready with me's, especially when I'm at a destination, just because the environment is different and it's just fun. I recently filmed a few packing videos, so be sure to check the info box below for those links. So let's jump into the first favorites. So in no particular order, we're just gonna start off with this guy here. This has been my current foundation. This is by KOSAS. This is called the Revealer Skin Improving Foundation Broad Spectrum 25, which is totally what this says that's in this bottle. This literally gives me like a true skin finish with a dewy glow. I've been using this foundation with a beauty blender and it looks so beautiful. I love how easily this glides onto my skin. It really covers all the discoloration that I have all over my face. And the main reasons why I love this is because this contains hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, duh, peptides, squalene, provitamin B5, arnica, caffeine, and artisanal flower. And that sums up why I love it so much, because it's just a beautiful glow, finish, comfortable on the skin, and a lot of skincare products. The package is adorable. It looks basically like the concealer, but just in a bigger form. And of course, my favorite, a pump. Dupe alert, this is definitely a dupe of the Glow Recipes Watermelon Overnight Mask, but at affordable cost. This is perfect for those days that I have dried skin. So after my proper skincare, when I do it, I'll go ahead and apply this onto my skin as my last skin prep. I'll slather a good amount, let it saturate into the skin slowly overnight, and I literally wake up with soft, silky skin. The formulation is so soft, it's so silky, it's easy to apply on. It just feels so refreshing. So in addition of wearing this overnight to sleep with, you can actually wear this for 10 minutes and wash it off. I feel like the more skincare, the better. Let it sit into my skin. This mask contains watermelon fruit water and plant-derived squalene. I have to say, this doesn't have such a strong watermelon scent as a Glow Recipe, which is fine because super mild is perfect for me. This package does not contain any spatula, but again, if your hands are clean, it's going to be okay where it's not contaminated. But for the price of like $6.99, you can't beat that. Iconic London. I am so excited because they are actually based in London. So I am excited if I end up stumbling across their freestanding store. So we do have a schedule for the places we want to see because we are kind of short on time on certain destinations. But of course, in that shopping area, if I can map out to see where certain stores like Iconic London, My Kitco, House of CB, if they're in that surrounding area, I'm gonna make time for that. So I've been wearing this as a foundation lately. I kid you not, guys. No concealer, no other color correcting product, but this. If I can find a footage of me applying this on, I'm gonna insert it here. So I kid you not, what I've been doing is just mixing the darker colors as my normal contour and just kind of adding dimension on the face. And for the areas that doesn't have any contour, I've been mixing these three and just adding in the areas that's needed to brighten. This definitely gives a dewy, very glowy product. You can use powder to set it, but I choose to leave it more like skin finish where it's still kind of wet. I want you guys to see how smooth these textures are. I mean, they are beautiful. Look at this. You can blend it out easily with your fingers, sponge brush, and they're very, very buildable. And did you guys know? Clean brand. Hair oil. I don't know if you guys have ever tried a hair serum, a hair oil that is not thick or heavy. Look no further. JWN has a beautiful hair shine oil that is super lightweight. I mean, once you apply it onto your hand, it almost evaporates. That is so light. There's no way for you to put too much where it's like gloppy and chunky and like, you know, you can see the oils. It literally is so thin as you apply it on and it just feels so soft. I basically put some on the palm of my hand and I mix them together and then kind of put some on the tips of my fingers, and I basically use my fingers as a wide tooth comb and just kind of comb it out. The ends is where I'll apply on more because that's the driest part and more damage. This is color safe hair. This is a clean brand. And if you guys could smell this, I would let you smell this because it smells so good. Last but not least, I have my Pacifica. What is this called? Pacifica's Magical Eyeshadows. This, right off the bat, when I first looked at it, opened it, I was thinking to myself, this is very, very similar to the Huda's palette. Is it called the Prism palette that she has? I'm sorry, I don't remember the name on the top of my head. Very similar, especially with this turquoise teal, which is right up my alley. But these guys here are a crushed pearl pigments. Again, very similar to Huda Beauty's. Very messy, so it's very similar. So note to self, if you do use these, maybe dampen your shadow brush to make sure it picks it up, but it doesn't like give you fallouts because it has to be kind of damp to apply on, kind of like a wet foiled shadow. The rest of the metallic shadows are really nice. They're very creamy. The matte shadow is really nice. I actually created a look. It's kind of like a cranberry eye with some of these colors here. I'll go ahead and put that link down below as well too if you guys missed it. Look how cute the back is. It has my favorite animals and it tells you the colors. And in addition to the colors, it tells you like this one here. Oh my God, I have like contour on my finger. Sorry. This one is called Unicorn and it's the purest energy color, which is this here. Crow. Transformation. That's why I like it. Oh, my favorite turtle. This one here is a turtle. You got blue whale and then you got crow. Just kidding. You got turtle, blue whale, and then you have the crow. They're just so pretty. So let me swatch a few. See, like this one here, it picks up on my fingers really nicely, but when you apply it on, you have to really push hard. Otherwise, there's fallouts. Obviously, on your lids, you don't want to push so hard because that's your eye. That's why I suggest using a dampened sponge or a shadow brush to really have it adhere on. Look how pretty those are. I'm gonna swatch this one because this is my favorite color. Sorry, that was a... Okay, sorry, that was a bad swatch, but look how pretty that is. Ooh, dragon. I don't think I've seen this one. It's kind of like a mustard yellow with a metallic kind of ish. Okay, my fingers are all taken up here. Let's just do one more. Ooh, let's do unicorn since I love unicorn and I think I am a unicorn. Again, that was a horrible swatch. I am so bad because, yeah, you guys know me. But I've been loving this palette. I love how it has a strong magnetic little cover here. So that way this doesn't open and it gets damaged. This is a plastic. I mean, this is sold at a drugstore, so I'm not really expecting a lot. But for a clean brand, a big palette like this with beautiful colors and that has amazing swatches, I would say it's a win. Alright guys, that is it for my monthly favorites. I know it's short, sweet, and simple, but stay tuned because I know I will be purchasing very unnecessary things when I'm out. So I'll be bringing that back home and I'm sure it's going to be on my next monthly favorites. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.